You know, there's so many gunshots and fireworks going off. You can hardly tell the difference between the two.
I know exactly what you're saying. I do.
You see, that one sounded like a gunshot.
Bold, loud, and crisp.
Snap, crackle, and pop.
Now you see, them definitely fireworks right there.
Lighter sound with a symphony after.
Just like the 4th of July.
Well, that was pretty close.
I'm gonna have to go with Gunshot.
I'm gonna have to go with the firework.
Hey, guess what? That was me who just fired off a gun and threw it in the dumpster. They'll never catch me now.
See, I told you it was a gunshot.
Still sounds like fireworks to me.
I'm just saying.
Yep,